Hi and hello, welcome to Book My Trucks Packers and Most Bangalore. Today we are going to show our complete packing and moving process. The shifting is carefully planned from Kasturba Road, Bangalore to Mysore, and in this video you will see how our experienced team packs each item properly using quality materials. And we will show you the safe loading process, how items are arranged inside the truck and how we handle everything with care. Step by step, you will understand how we make the move smooth, safe, and tension free from start to end finish. So, stay with us and watch the full video. And now you are watching how our staff are carefully packing the crockery items one by one using newspaper and bubble wrap. Each item is wrapped properly to give extra protection. This packing method helps to avoid breakages during loading, transportation and unloading. We are happy to confirm that we are a Bangalore-based company and our journey started in 2014. Today we have more than a decade year of experience in the packing and moving industry. And here you can see our team carefully packing the furniture items like shoe rack, sofa and wooden chairs. We use foam sheets to cover each item properly. We treat every piece of furniture like our own. This careful packing helps to avoid damages, dents and breakages during the move. Our aim is simple: to deliver your furniture safe, secure and in perfect condition at the new location. And we don't work only in Bangalore. We do packing and moving from Bangalore to anywhere in India. Whether it is nearby city or long distance move, no problem for us. Our team plans everything properly from packing to loading and final delivery. Our staffs handle your household items and furniture very carefully like their own things. We use good packing materials and safe methods so items reach safely without any tension. Here you can see the dressing mirror is packed in very good condition using thick foam sheet and sealed properly with adhesive tape. This strong packing helps to avoid cracks and breakage during transportation. And all our employees have 8 to 12 years experience, so they know how to handle every item carefully. And we also have our own fleet of vehicles, which helps us manage moves on time without any delay. And our office located in HSR Level, Bangalore. You are always welcome to visit our office, meet us face to face and book your moving slot with full confidence. Now almost all the packing work is completed and our stops are moving the household items carefully using the lift. Some items may not fit inside the lift, so our team carries those items manually without any hesitation and they handle everything patiently. And after bringing all items to downstairs, you can see our team loading and arranging the goods properly inside the truck. Each item is placed in the right position to avoid movement and damage during travel. Once the loading is done, we close the container door securely. Now we are all set to move to our destination, which is Mysore. And now we can see our driver. He is well trained and responsible driver and he always makes sure to reach the customer location on time and safely. And now we arrive to Mysore. Along with household shifting, we also provide two-wheeler and four-wheeler relocation services. We handle commercial moving for offices, shops and business as well. We also take care of international moving with proper packing and safe handling. Here you can see our driver parked the truck properly in the parking area. After parking, we open the container door and begin unloading the goods one by one. and our staff carefully carried each item from the truck and shifted everything safely to the fourth floor. Even heavy and delicate items were handled patiently and with full care. Step by step, all the household items were moved safely inside the apartment without any damages or confusion. And thank you so much for watching this video. For bookings and enquiries, you can call us at 8722 You can also visit our website www.bookmytrucks.co.in or send us email at info@bookmytrucks.co.in.